Here we go. Here's some of my better birds. Like I was flying them together, and I've always went through and picked out the ones that were rolling better in each one of the groups, and just kind of made this one kit here. So they're all babies, but they're not quite yearlings yet. The wind's kind of taking them over there a little bit today. You can hear them bumping into each other. These are all bred last year. There's still a lot of flutter in there though, but there's just the first time they're flying together since I combined the birds. They just need to settle down. They're all fired up. Ooh. That outbird's all spooking them, so it's one bird that's not used to being in there. Sees right above the kit. There he goes. He's taking them up a little bit. Once these guys get used to flying to each other, they'll be pretty good. So, not quite gelling yet. It's making them roll short and stuff. And some of them are fluttering because they're not quite used to it. We'll see how it goes. There's still a couple birds in there I gotta weed out, but I'd rather have a couple extra birds in there, and if I do get chased, hopefully it gets one of the ones that's not the better bird. But that's not always how it goes. We'll see how it goes. I'll post this kit from time to time once they start gelling. I like how they're kidding though.